Well, this is going to be the world's shortest video. We have 4 problems left, but I couldn't leave you hanging. So we just did this one at the end. We said that a radius is half of a diameter, so it's 8 inches. And 2 radii, 8 plus 8, equal the full diameter. So now we're moving to a sphere. A sphere has a diameter of 25 miles. And guess what? Diameter of a circle is just like a diameter of the sphere. So to find the radius, we need to cut it in half. So 2 into 25. 2 goes into 2 once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, that's 0. This is 5. 2 goes into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. When we subtract, we get 1. So that would be 12 and 1/2. Or you could write 12.5. So 1 over 2. Remainder over a divisor. So 12 and 1/2 miles. So that would be the diameter of the sphere. Identify each solid. So you may want to turn to page 6 in your glossary and you can see. So the one with the square base and the point is called a square pyramid. We already talked about a sphere. That's like a soccer ball. We already talked about the can of soup. That's called a cylinder. And then I think everybody knows the ice cream cone. So the cone shaped. So let's identify these. So this, I see the base is a square. It comes to a point, so that is a square pyramid. And of course, this is our ice cream cone, so this is just a cone. And here's our soccer ball, so that would be a sphere. So the only one we didn't name here was the cylinder, which we talked about earlier. And I think on the page before that, they have the rectangular solid and the cube. So shoebox would be considered a rectangular solid. And when it looks like a sugar cube, it's a cube. These are the same, except this one has all sides equal, where you can see on this one, they're not all equal. Okay, so a rectangular solid with all sides equal becomes a cube. Okay, so that's it for lesson 1. We're skipping lesson 2. Lesson 3 is another real short one. We'll probably have about a 5-minute video for that. And then we'll move on to 4 and 5. See you in a bit.